Well, excitement in the air today in North Minneapolis at the site of the future V3 Community Sports Center.
The V3 Center is being dubbed as a health and wellness center that is long overdue on the city's north side, where there's been huge gaps in opportunities for children and adults to learn how to swim. Governor Walz and local leaders and key players took part in the ceremonial groundbreaking for the center.
We need to hear the good things. We need to hear the good stories. We need to hear about what the community's doing. And to be out here for this, it just feels great.